Hi, it's me at Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 2018 Mercedes GLS with a Starline i96 Pro Immobiliser. So the way the system works, it uses the customer's phone or a push sequence using the steering wheel buttons to authorise the vehicle to start. So if the customer's phone wasn't here and someone was to obviously do a relay attack on the keys, hop in, try and start the vehicle up, it simply won't start, as it's looking for authorization. Procedure to start the vehicle with the buttons: ignition on with a double press, pop the disarm code in. We kept it simple at 1, 2, 3. Disarm tone, we can put a foot on the brake and start the vehicle. If the customer's phone's in range, in Bluetooth range, and it's paired up and connected, the app will show a green circle if they're in it. If not, and the phone's just locked in their pocket, when they get in the vehicle, we'll just double press the ignition, hear our melody, and the vehicle will start. If the customer wants to change their push sequence, this can be anything between 3 and 21 presses, and to do that, the system first has to be disarmed. 1, 2, 3. Then press any button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle the ignition. It's ready to learn a new code. So we'll just change it to... We'll wait for a confirmation and then repeat that again. Got the same confirmation to confirm the code change was successful, and then turn the ignition off. So now in 10 seconds we'll try to start it. You'll see it's protected, and then we'll use the push sequence to disarm it. So if someone's to hop in now, 10 seconds later, the vehicle won't start. So double press the ignition, new code, disarm tone, vehicle starts. This system also has the facility to take it for a service, put it in service mode, so they wouldn't have to use the push sequence and you wouldn't have to give them the phone. So to put it into service mode, with the app downloaded, press and hold on the app, the green circle will spin around and go to yellow. When it goes to yellow, we'll release and get 2 bleeps. There we go. Now we've got 2 bleeps. This will act as a normal car, no need for a PIN code, just start up as normal, and they can service it, move it around their workshop as they need. When you get it back, you can either go into the app and do the same thing in reverse, or if you don't have your phone on you, hop into the car, put your disarm code in, 2 bleeps, and this is protected again. So if you want to get your vehicle secured, this is the i96 Pro we've installed on a 2018 Mercedes GLS. We're Immobiliser Fit, and our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.